Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi, and for today's video, we are going to talk about beauty. So our topic would be how to get or to achieve that V-shaped face without having a surgery. So if you'd like to know, please keep on watching. Recently guys, I visited this Korean beauty clinic here in Melbourne. It's Healing by Jay, and I did a treatment called V-Chin package. So this V-Chin package guys consists with 3 processes, and actually I've got my phone here to make sure that I'm giving you the correct information about this treatment guys. So just a quick breakdown of what you'll be getting with this package. Firstly, you'll get the 15-minute Korean Gyunglak massage. So pardon me if I'm not saying or pronouncing it right guys. I think Gyunglak, I don't know if that's how you say it, but anyways. So this massage guys is a classic technique from Korea that provides a sharper and slimmer face, realigning muscle fibers that helps with double chins. So yes guys, I do have double chins. Double chins. I only have chin. Well, actually is it double chins because it's double? Anyways guys, let's keep moving. So I do have double chin guys, which is you can't see so much now because obviously I've done this treatment guys, so it definitely helped me, but this massage guys, I'm going to be honest with you, it was painful. Yes, it was painful, but it's bearable guys. So it's not to the point that you're going to cry, and but I think it's also about, you know, your pain tolerance. With me, I'm actually pretty good with pain guys, so for me it was a bit painful, but it was okay. But also guys, you know, beauty is pain guys. Like seriously, if you want to do something, then you can do it for sure. You can do it. But yeah, I'm going to insert later on guys, I'm going to insert you the clips that we took during that day guys when Jane did my treatment, and yeah, that will definitely show you pretty much everything what she's done with my face guys. So yeah, I will do that later on. I will insert that later. Crying?
No, they didn't say anything. All of a sudden, tear dropped. But you know what? Funny thing is that once you get used to it, this, you just want to go for it.
Yeah.
Or if it's not strong enough, you feel like nothing is happening. Even your career to this.
And yeah, so after the massage, guys, this you'll get the 30-minute Endermologie. So Endermologie, guys, is aids with eliminating fluid retention that usually causes puffy face. So you normally, like, when we have like too much water retention on our face, guys, obviously it doesn't look defined. It looks more like, you know, more puffy. So this Endermologie, guys, helps you with that problem. I'll also gonna be inserting a video about that later, so you will know what it looks like. What machine is this one, Jay?
Endermologie. This one will take care of your, depends on what program I choose.
Yeah.
Fluid mobilization or skin foaming. So it helps for the face sculpting as well in that way.
Yeah, so that's it. That's the second process, and the third process is the V-shaped lifting wrap. So it's a cold wrapping around the jawline to help define that V-shape look. So Jane did wrap my face, and then she actually put some liquid that feels so cold on the face, guys, and yeah, well, apparently that helps, you know, define the V-shaped face.
And then when your face is warm, then fluid will move faster.
Okay.
Then I wrap your face like this, and it will stay in that shape. So it's like making sure your shape will be defined and nice enough. Am I pulling your hair too much? Are you okay? Let me know if you can't breathe.
So all in all, guys, I must say the treatment was perfect. Like, it was my first time to do something like that, and it was working, guys. I'm going to tell you now, it worked for me, and for sure it works for other people too. Jane was very knowledgeable, so she definitely know what she's talking about and what she's doing. She's really into this game, guys. Well, all the staff, they're very friendly. As soon as you get into the clinic, guys, you can feel that, you know, relaxing ambience. You know, the atmosphere is just very very relaxing, guys. So I love going to the clinic, guys. But yeah, and also, I don't know, I might insert some photos, guys, that might, you know, show you the before and after, so you will have a better idea, guys. But now I can tell that it definitely did something to my face. After the treatment, guys, my sister Mimi was there, and she told me, like, my sister is really frank, guys. She will tell you what she thinks. She's not gonna sugarcoat or anything. Yeah, she said that it definitely worked. She can tell that, you know, my jaw here is more defined, and it's not like rounded anymore. So I can even tell now, guys, with the photos, I can tell that my face is not, you know, very round shape anymore. Like, it has that, you know, definition now. as you can see. So I've got this now. I don't have this before, guys. So yeah, and I was very happy, guys, because for that treatment, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think they charge 135 Australian dollars, which is nothing compared to getting like a surgery, guys, which will cost you thousands of dollars. So 130, that is, you know, I think that is pretty affordable, you know, compared to, yeah, getting a surgery. But yeah, I think it's, you know, it's really good, guys. Like, you really have to try it yourself if you are down here in Melbourne, or even if you are, for sure, like other places, they do have something like this as well. You yeah, definitely try, guys, because if you are, you know, like scared of going through, you know, under the knife, like, you know, getting all the surgery done to your face, guys, then I think this is a pretty good alternative to that, because I'm that person, guys. Like, seriously, yes, I'm into beauty. I want like a V-shape look face, slimmer jawline and all that, but I don't think I can actually, you know, undergo to that surgery process, guys. I'm so scared of knife and everything like that, guys. Like, seriously, it's just not for me. So I'm very happy that I actually found an alternative, guys, for that treatment. And yeah, I'm very happy all in all. I can recommend Healing by Jay, guys. You definitely have to check them out, because they offer a lot of beauty treatments, guys. Like, seriously, a lot. I'm actually thinking, if I have money, guys, I'm actually thinking about getting rid of these pigmentations that I have on my face. So I don't know if you can see, but I've got like pigmentations, as you can see, just here. So it is actually hormonal pigmentation, because I never had it before Paris. So when I got pregnant, you know, then it started to come out. So yeah, I think that's the next thing that I'm going to do, guys, when I have more money. Because obviously, you know, guys, you need money to do all these beauty things, guys. But yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that you learned something. Please, if you have any questions or queries about this treatment, guys, don't hesitate to drop me a note in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you and, you know, answer your questions as the best that I can, guys. If you like this video, guys, please give this a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, guys. We are nearly 1K subscribers, and I am really thankful to everyone who's watching this video, guys, and, you know, always supporting me with my videos. Yeah, so I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.